Okay, this is the how do I fill up my Pitbull conversion after the conversion. So this is Al Clark's Pitbull from Aero Magnum Air Munitions. As you will notice, the original gauge is at 2550, 2600 psi. That is his regulated pressure. This is your new fill port location. This is your fill port, your fill probe. This is the new gauge at the end of the gun that gives your actual filled pressure. So fill probe goes right in there. I'm going to make sure that our div is cut off. A trick is to fill slowly. We're going to come up to, there you go, we heard it click. That's our pressure in our gun. We're just going to let it fill very slowly. Now, I cannot tell you to fill your gun more than 3,000 psi. I have not pressure tested these reservoirs to the pressure that I fill them to, but this is what I do. So for people that are worried about it, I cannot tell you that this is the way to do it. These reservoirs are made of 2024 T3 aluminum. Hang on, let me pay attention to what I'm doing here. (4,500 psi). About 4,500 psi. Release our pressure. Remove our probe. And our regulated pressure is still 2,600 psi. If you own one of these, thank you so much. This is the very first Pitbull. This one belongs to Al at Aero Magnum. Thank you, Al. We appreciate your business and your friendship and the fact that you make such great ammo. Y'all have a great day.